In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Alipay PIN. This process is essential for maintaining your account's security and ensuring a smooth payment experience. Let's get started right away. First, open the Alipay app on your device and log in. You will see the home screen with various features and options. It's important to log in because only then can you access your account settings. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will have access to all the features necessary to change your payment PIN. This step is foundational as it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This button directs you to your personal account page. On this page, you will find various options related to your account settings, including payment methods, transaction history, and more. Tapping Me lets you customize your account settings effectively. It is crucial to navigate to this section to proceed with changing your payment password. Once you tap Me, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before moving on to the next step. From there, go to Settings, then tap on Payment Settings and finally select Payment Password. You will see a list of options related to payment security. Navigating to payment settings is critical because it houses the tools you need to manage your payment methods and security features. This step ensures that you are on the right track to change your PIN. Once you are in the payment password section, you will be prompted to enter your current payment password, so be prepared for that. Now enter your current payment password in the designated field. This is a vital step because the system needs to verify your identity before allowing any changes. As you type, make sure to enter the password accurately. If you enter it incorrectly, the system will not proceed to the next step, which can be frustrating. This verification step is important because it prevents unauthorized access to your financial information. After entering your current password, check it once more before you move on, ensuring everything is correct. Next, you will create and confirm your new 6-digit payment password. It's essential to choose a password that is secure yet memorable. This password will be the key to your future transactions, so take your time. Enter your new password in the first field and then re-enter it in the confirmation field. This helps to avoid any typos. Once you've done this, you can feel confident that your payment security is being upgraded. After successfully entering your new password, a confirmation message should appear, ensuring that your changes have been saved. If you forgot your current PIN, you can choose the Forgot Password option and follow the verification steps provided. Alipay may require you to confirm your identity using your phone number, email address, passport, or a linked bank card. This is a helpful feature designed to assist users who may not remember their passwords. Following these steps carefully will allow you to regain access and update your PIN. Remember to have your verification details handy to streamline the process. If you cannot reset the PIN because you do not have access to your old phone number or bank card, contact Alipay customer support at the number provided. You can also use the online support option available in the app. Reaching out to customer support will connect you with someone who can assist you directly. They can guide you through the process and help you regain access to your account. This is especially important if you're facing issues that you cannot resolve on your own. For security, Alipay recommends using different passwords for logging in and making payments. This practice enhances your account's safety and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. By following these guidelines, you not only protect your financial information but also contribute to a safer online environment. Remember, keeping your passwords unique and secure is always a wise decision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in changing your Alipay PIN.